Here we are in your marketing strategy Notion template. It's a Notion template that is a series of worksheets to help you define what your marketing strategy will be for your small business. It breaks down the marketing into 3 phases. So first about prospects, then it's lead conversion, then it's about customer service. And within each of those 3 phases, there is a further 3 different elements that you need to deliver in marketing to make sure your customers stick with you. So we're looking at attracting your prospects in the first place. So a prospect would be people who haven't heard about you, know nothing about you. So that's where your ads would come in, and you're looking at attracting those prospects for the cheapest price. Once they've found you, it's about then capturing those prospects, and they then become leads because they now know about you. You nurture the leads, so you provide value, education, and that will ultimately lead into a conversion into sales. So it's at that point only they become customers. So they've parted with money and they know you. And from there, it's about how you maintain that customer relationship, because that's where you can make the most money if you can sell to existing customers, because it's not costing you anything as such to advertise to them. So the worksheet, as I say, is split into 3 phases, each with 3 sections for each one. So first of all, it's defining who your prospect is, who you're going to be looking for, what's the message that you want to give to that perfect customer, and it gives a further worksheet on how to develop that offer that your customer would want. So it gives you a worksheet to work out what to fill in or what to include in your offer. And then it looks at what channels you will be using to market it. So we detail all of the channels that are there, and you can then decide what route you want to take and how you're going to make use of them. Obviously, this can change. You can build on it, but don't spread yourself too thin by doing everything all at once. So it's about building up a strategy and a game plan of how you're going to market to your customers. So once you've got your prospects, you then go into lead conversion. So they've become a lead, and it's about capturing that information. So first of all, defining what system you're going to use to capture it. What you're going to use to nurture it, so convert that prospect into a lead. Then once you're converting it, how are you going to capture the details? So how are you going to maintain your lead database? So what tools can you use within that? And then what mechanism are you going to use to convert your leads into sales? So we're looking at, or you could be using something like sales funnel and what that will be, how you're going to provide value. And it's about defining what you're going to do to develop that sales conversion. Once you have converted your lead into a customer, we're then looking at how to deliver a world-class experience. So what are you going to do to make sure that these customers become raving fans? That is, they're doing the marketing for you. They're telling people about you. They are coming back and buying more from you. This is where you want your main business to be, is recurring sales from existing customers. So of course you need an influx of new prospects and leads, but once you've got them, you don't want to be losing them. So it's about how you're going to deliver that experience, how you're going to increase the customer lifetime value. So thinking about what products you could offer that adds on to existing products so that you can gain more from those customers. And then finally, how you're going to, or what mechanism, what approach you can take to get referrals from your existing customers. So how can you actively focus without just saying, can you give me a referral, when, you know, it could be anybody. You focus your customers' thoughts in, so you become specific as to how you want to target those referrals or get those referrals. So you're looking for specific things so people are more clued into getting that information. So that could be doing things like joint ventures, creating affiliates, as well as asking directly for referrals. And then from there, we also have worksheets for knowing your numbers. So working out profit and loss, your marketing costs, return on investment, and knowing your numbers for recurring payments. So if you've got subscriptions, which is subscriptions or recurring payments. So you're trying to work out your lifetime value of a customer. So again, these databases feed in the numbers and it will work out your churn rate, customer lifetime value, etc. So this worksheet is really all about marketing and setting up a plan on how you are going to get money into the business. This is where your business is ultimately. If you don't have a marketing strategy, then you have no way of growing your business. And so the worksheets are there to help you become clear and focused on how you're going to develop and grow your business through your customer life cycle.